Welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to render a Visualforce page as PDF. As you can see on screen, I have created a Visualforce page as well as a Apex controller. The name of the Apex controller is PDF example controller and name of the Visualforce page is PDF example. Let's first try to print something in this Visualforce page. So I will just write hello world, click on save, and once it is saved, let's preview the page. As you can see, hello world is printed here. Now let's try to render it as PDF. For that we will use a attribute render as, and inside this we will pass PDF and click on save. As it is saved, let me open this, and as you can see, a PDF has been generated. Now what we will do is we will fetch some account record using our PDF example controller, and will iterate through those account records and show it into Visualforce page and render it as a PDF. So first of all, I will write the code of this Apex controller. I have already wrote the code, so I will paste the code here and click on save. First of all, what I did is I created a list of account, and then in the PDF example controller, I have fetched the account list using SQL query. Here we are fetching ID, name, type, account number, annual revenue, rating from account, and we are only fetching 5 records. As you can see, I have given the limit of 5. Now let's go to PDF example, and here I will remove this H1 because we don't need it here, and here we will connect the controller. So we will write controller, and inside this we will pass the name of the Apex class, which is PDF example controller. Now let's use a Apex page block. Inside this Apex page block, we will use a page block table. Apex page block table, and here we will, as you can see, I have created a variable account list, so we will use it as value, and it will be written like this, account list, and let's use a variable which we will use to iterate over this account list, so SEC, and inside this what we will do is we will create various columns. So we will be creating 5 columns for the fields. Let's see what are the fields: name, annual revenue, type, account number, and rating. So let's create 5 Apex column. So Apex column, and here the value will be stored in this account variable. So I will write it once, and then I will copy paste it, account and then name. Let's save it and try to render this, and then we will paste the other variables. So let's preview it, and as you can see on screen, account name is coming. So now what we will do is we will copy paste it multiple times and replace the name with other variables. So let me paste it multiple times. 5 times I have pasted. Now the next variable is account number, type. So first of all, let's write annual revenue, and then let's write type, and then account number, and the last one is rating. Let's save it. I will click on preview, and as you can see, these are printed on the screen. Let's also give a border. So here what we can do is we can set a variable border which will be 2. Let's preview it again, and now as you can see on the screen, we are able to render a Visualforce page as PDF. Also, we have created a table using this Apex page block and Apex page block table. So let me explain you again how to render a Visualforce page as a PDF. First of all, what you have to do is you have to use this attribute render as equals to PDF, and inside this Apex page you have to write the uh, code which you want to render as a PDF. Inside this, what we have done is we have created a Apex controller from where we are fetching the list of 5 accounts with these 5 fields: name, type, account number, annual revenue, rating. And then what we have did is we have used Apex page block table. Inside this, we are using the variable which is holding the list of account list. Then we have created a variable ACC which will be used to iterate through this all list of accounts. And then we have used the Apex column tag, and with the help of it we are printing these 5 fields: name, annual revenue, type, account number, rating. So that's it in this video. In the next video we will learn how to render a Visualforce page as CSV. Thank you very much.